Zero motorcycles have announced a completely refreshed range for 2017, claiming up to 19% more torque, up to 11% more power and the longest range production electric motorcycle. The majority of the advancement comes from Zero's Z-Force powertrain, which includes a new permanent magnet motor with an increased temperature threshold and higher amperage motor controllers. What does all that mean? Up to 108 lb-ft of instant torque, more than any petrol-powered later sports bike on the market. The new 2017 model range is a little complicated to get your head around, so stick with us. There's the Zero S and Senior, which are the more Street Fighter-esque models. The S is available in 3 catchily named configurations. Take a breath. The SZF6, 511 kilowatts. The SZF13, 011 kilowatts, and the SZF13, 0. The SZF6, 511 kilowatts is the entry-level model, priced at $311,890. It's fitted with a smaller battery pack, saving 43 kilograms, at the cost of range, and has an 11 kilowatts power limit, which makes it A1 license-friendly. In a smart move, Zero have engineered the bike so that the space saved by the smaller battery doubles up as an additional storage compartment. The SZF13, 011 kilowatts is pretty much the same but with a larger battery, while the SZF13, 0 has a larger battery and access to the full 40 kilowatts, which, thanks to a funny licensing loophole, is legal for A2 license holders. Both SZF13, 0 models cost $314,990. Joining the S is the Senior ZF13, 0, sharing the same battery size as the standard S but with more torque. 106 lb-ft up from 67.8 lb-ft, and more power, 50 kilowatts up from 40 kilowatts. The Senior is slightly pricier at $316,990. Sitting alongside the S is the DS, which is the adventure-styled model that is fitted with a high